What do I enjoy most about being a trainer? I love empowering people. This is what I'm on this planet to do. So I love giving people skills, to empower them and to allow them to do what they want in their lives. Before I became a trainer, what I did got me into training. So I started with IT public relations, so people and IT, journalists mainly, and then I went into IT recruitment, so again, IT and people, getting people jobs. And then I was so badly trained one of those days that I thought to myself, I've got to be a trainer, I can do this so much better. And I decided from that point to become a trainer. Best part about training people to use Excel is that people are often very nervous with Excel. It's a very powerful program and they come in, quite often shaking, and it's nice to be able to give them confidence and skills so they can leave that training room with a big smile on their face, even saying how fun Excel can be. My classes are very interactive, they're fun, but they're also very practical. So what you learn on a course you can take away and use the very next day. I would say the best things about working for a Cutie Training is a shared passion for education and giving high class quality training. That's what I'm about and that's what they're about. But also, it's about not just putting bums on seats. It's about giving high quality courses that people can come, take what they need and use the very next day.